So we're going to change the oil and fix this leak. First, you're going to take the drain plug out, 17 millimeter. Make sure you have a pan under you because all this nasty oil is going to come out. Um, you see the crush washer actually got smashed much, has this little ridge on it, so we put a new one on. Go ahead and put it back in screw it back in. This one was a little tough to do because it was a little stripped, but we got it in. You're supposed to torque this down to 33 foot-pounds, which I didn't. I just used the wrench, but it's supposed to be 33 foot-pounds. For actually working on the oil filter, it's kind of hard to see and work with the camera. So you go up there, you just unscrew it. It's right above the axle, right next to the engine. It makes a giant mess, which we'll clean up later. First, you get the filter and you put oil around the ring. You install it and then clean it because my GoPro died and they didn't show me installing it. Clean it with some brake cleaner after you've installed it. Go ahead and open the oil fill in the valve cover at the top. Uh, this takes 4 quarts. It says 5W30 unless you're in a hot environment, and I'm in a hot environment, so I do 10W30. I'm just putting 4 quarts in, checking the side of the bottle to see how close I am. For whatever reason, the dipstick wouldn't go in constantly, so I'd use that light to even see, but we're trying to get the oil line to be about halfway between the bottom and the top line. So just adding a little bit more, checking it, cleaning it up. You can't see it very well, but it's right in the middle now. So go ahead and put it back in, take all your stuff off, put the thing back in and just close it up and then you're basically done.